And we got Kandy and a mama and an Asher man and a daddy man, and we are partaking in a local parade. Believe it or not, they want to see this dirty thing. Not mama the truck.
all the nice trucks.
Yeah, we're gonna rig it out tonight, and we're gonna throw some candy at some spectators, so make people happy and share the love here. And it's getting cold.
It's way too cold.
It's decent. It's football season. It's supposed to feel like this. So
move me south.
Move me south now.
I don't think anyone needs to try to be like anybody else. If you're trying to be somebody else, that's gonna come across, and people are gonna feel that like, oh, like the fakeness. But when you are being undeniably you and you are passionate about what you're doing, people feel that. It hits different. This is it. This is the new direction. Hi. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are moving down. Hold. There we go. Okay. We are back with some shoes. Okay. Like, I don't normally claim to be a shoe connoisseur or anything like that. I don't have like shelves of shoes and all this stuff. So anyways, we got Nikes today. I usually only get like maybe one pair of Nikes a year. Maybe. And the last ones that I got, they're these ones, and they're not bad. They don't look terrible until you see them next to new Nikes. And then we went to the store to look at Nikes, and I had these on, and I felt really dirty after I seen all the new ones. I'm like, oh God, mine looks so bad. I really didn't think they were that bad. But anyways, so I re-upped. Joe got me some, we got some low tops and we got some mids, okay? I was really nervous to get mids, honestly, because I haven't really rocked mids. I rock like my high top Vans and stuff to the gym, all that stuff. I'm getting a little bit more into those kind of shoes. Like, I don't know. These days, I like to have my hair and makeup done, but I like to be like comfy, cozy, cool, like whatever. What do the kids wear these days? Anywho, okay, so these ones, like I'm still gonna wear them. They just, you know, like I wore them to the pumpkin patch today. Like, they're just not in mint condition, like I said. So these first ones here that we are going to touch on are these. Like, the colors are literally perfect for fall. Not that I would rock these babies. I don't know, like, they're white, so I'm like, I don't think I'd rock them to like a pumpkin patch or something like that. But for like some cute, fun, like fall outfits, like wear my teddy coat with it, with some black like jogger sweats. Like, I got outfits planned, okay? So stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna be like showing you guys some outfits I would wear, show you guys, like, I have a couple jeans that I'm gonna be doing some sewing hacks on, so stay tuned. Like I said, that's coming up. Anyways, but getting back to so these are the women's Nike Court Legacies. Obviously low tops. I really like this black Nike swoosh, and it's got this like almost like mustardy, like, I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like them. So it's got kind of like almost like a leather texture all around here. Same with the swoosh. And then up here, like on the inside, it does have like a lime green, like bright greenish yellow color. And then it's got the Nike logo with the orange Nike swoosh. I don't know why, but I really like that they like incorporated orange there. I don't know. It just kind of like, it's got some like old school vibes to it. Like, it's really giving me like vibes of Vans. I don't know why. Like, if, you know, I don't know. I'm really bad at this, you guys, because I'm not a shoe connoisseur. So anyone that like knows their shoes really well is gonna, like, if you watch this, you're gonna be like, oh my God. But I've just been seeing these all over. I've been seeing a bunch of people wearing these, and I'm like, and normally I don't go for the shoes that everybody wears, but I was a sucker for these, because I'm like, they just look so like classic, and I feel like I could like rock these with so many different outfits. I'm like, dress them up, dress them down. Yeah, we're going for it. So yes, here they are. One's untied already, but yeah. So I really like these, you guys. And I actually did have to size up. I feel like with Nike, I have to size up at least like half a size or more. I am normally I'm like an 8.5 to 9 in women's sizes, and I had to get a 9.5 in these for them to be comfortable. And they're definitely like really like stiff right now when I'm wearing them, but you know, they're new shoes, you gotta break them in. All right, so these second ones, like I said, these are mids. I see everybody wear these too. Like I said, I don't normally go for the things that like everybody wears, but I don't know. Like I showed you my old Nikes, they're really beat up. And for the gym, I usually do like my high top Vans, and they are like destroyed. Like I wear a white t-shirt and those, and they don't even look white anymore. So I've been seeing, like, I might wear these to the gym, maybe, like if I'm just doing lifting, like obviously no cardio, anything like that. But I really, really like these. Okay, so let me just show you. I actually really like, so the sole of it is a little bit, so it's more like cream colored instead of white, and I really like that because obviously the sole is what like it's gonna get the most wear and tear, the most beat up, so it's kind of nice that it like it's not like a white. Some people might not like that it doesn't like match white with this, but I'm a fan of it because I think it helps with the wear and tear. But it also has like almost this kind of like, I don't know if I would say suede, but it's like, if you can see this texture on here, it's kind of, I don't know, I feel like it would just kind of help protect the other from like, as opposed to this material being right up on the toe. I feel like this protects it a little bit more, because I know like when I'm doing certain like sets and all that at the gym lifting, my toes like will be like on the ground like this, like if I'm like kneeling down, and I feel like this is gonna help protect that. And this is kind of almost like a grayish color. It's like really, really light, but it's still, it's a grayish color. And then the tongue of it actually has exposed foam here, which I think is so like, I just love it. To me, it just gives off like retro vibes. And these ones are the Blazer Mid 77. So I don't know, it just gives such like retro vibes. And the tongue of it, like because you can see the foam like sticking out here, you can kind of see the color of the foam also like through this material. So it kind of gives off like a peachy hue. I don't know. I love it. I love it. And again, it's got the Nike symbol right here, and then it also has the orange swoosh. So obviously these are really similar. I was really torn. I was like, okay, I feel like I should get like different colors, mix it up, something. But I just am going with like my whole wardrobe, I feel like, is just changing into this like more like just kind of staple colors. Like I have a few bright things I'll throw in, but my hair is already like off the wall pink, so it's like I feel like I've been doing a lot of neutral colors here as of recent. And yeah, like I don't even own like real clothes. I feel like everything is like comfy, like cute, comfy, cozy. But so that's why I've been like really wanting to get some fresh Nikes. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have invested in any of the new like styles, anything like that. I'm new to mids, so I feel like, I don't know, are there like fancy ways of lacing them? Like I need to like search all of the things, because I feel like I've seen a couple videos on like TikTok and stuff where they have all these fancy ways of lacing them, and I'm like, apparently I need to up my game here. And then also I did see on the website, of course, it like advertises these babies here with these Nike socks. These ones. So I was planning on getting some Nike socks. I was planning on getting some Nike socks anyways, but I was just gonna get like the plain white ones with just the swoosh on it. And then I seen these on the advertisement thing, like the models was wearing like this with these socks, and it looked cool, so. Propaganda. Oh my god. Anyways, so yeah, I have yet to open all of this. I've actually had these shoes here for a couple days, and I haven't been wearing them because I wanted to like show you brand new out of the box what they look like, no scuff marks, anything like that. So it's been killing me, y'all. But I finally got a chance to sit down, and I wanted to show you guys what I've been liking. And again, I did get the 9.5s in these as well. So let me try these on. Hold please.
cried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Okay, yes, 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 big fan of both. Okay, drop it down in the comments. Do you like one over the other? Are you low tops, mids? Like, what do you like? What are the shoes you're rocking right now? What are even the cute styles I feel like all I wear is comfy clothes? Drop it down in the comments, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. Let me know what else you're wanting to see. And like I said, stay tuned for some fashion hacks coming up. See you guys later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Bye!